to show you how to play Rhythm of the Rain by the Cascades. If you want the letter notes for that, go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with the introduction because it's just kind of a nice sound and it'll set us up for it. You got an E and a C sharp and an E and a B in the left hand. And then in the right hand, you're just going to go up here and play little bell tones. So what you're playing there is you're playing E, B, E, B, C sharp, G sharp, C sharp, G sharp, E, B, E, B, F sharp, D sharp, B, F sharp. So, and then go with it. The E, the C sharp, E, B, and that'll lead you right into the melody. And it's best for me if I can remember to play this C sharp with my ring finger right there, the fourth finger, because if I run here, then I have to cross over. But if I go, my fingers slide easier. If you forget, you just have to jump right there. But let's get the melody. C sharp, B, B, G sharp, G sharp, B, F sharp, E, E, F sharp, E, E. C sharp, B, B, G sharp, G sharp. Now here I put a little pause right there. Just to get it, to paint the words there. Because you got a quick little G sharp, F sharp, G sharp, B, B. And then you have this little fill. F sharp, D sharp, B, F sharp. And then start with an E this time. E, C sharp, B, G sharp, G sharp. So that'll be the same thing. E, C sharp, B, B, G sharp, G sharp, F sharp, F sharp, E, F sharp, E, E. And it ends that phrase with C sharp, E, F sharp, E, F sharp, C sharp, D sharp, E. And then there's a fill. You got to jump up an octave. Now what they have is G sharp, B, E, F sharp, B, D sharp, B. But you got to come all the way down here to get back into this. So what I do is I double that F sharp to give me a little bit more time. So I go through that F sharp real quickly. And then the second verse is the same, just about. Now there it changes. When she left that day, it rushes right through that F sharp. And then going into the chorus, E, E, G sharp, G sharp, B, B. And then we're into the chorus. So I'll show you those notes when we get to it. Now, for the bass, all you're going to have is E, A, E, B, E, A, E, B, E. And you can hold those as long as you want to through the phrase. So going slowly so that you can see. What you're going to do there is you're going to play the E on the G sharp, right up the E chord, G sharp, B, E, arpeggio, and then down to the B for the F sharp. And then you come all the way down here and you go right into the second verse. And I let some of those bass notes fall right with the right hand, and some of them come after it. So now watch, the B will come after it. And then after you play the B, then you put in this fill. And that's just F sharp, D sharp, B, F sharp. These are right together, B, and then this E comes a little bit after. Okay, so that gets us into the chorus. Now the chorus is C sharp, C sharp, C sharp, C, C sharp, E, D sharp, B, B, G sharp, A, G sharp, A, G sharp, A, G sharp, A, C sharp, B, G sharp, G sharp, sounding like this. And then it drops all the way down to C sharp, E, D sharp, E, D sharp, E, G sharp, F sharp, E, C sharp, B, C sharp, E. And then for the fill, we go all the way up here to the top of the keyboard. Just B, B, A, G sharp, G sharp, F sharp. And I only play one F sharp because I got to come all the way back down with my right hand. Because it goes right into the, there's a reprise there of that second verse right there. So, and in the bass, all we're going to have in the chorus is A, G sharp, A, E, C sharp, F sharp, B. So I'll show it to you. Hands are good. The G sharp. So you're going from an A to a G sharp minor. G sharp, B, D sharp, but we're just playing single notes in the bass. Move on the D sharp, back to the A, now down to an E, now down to a C sharp, or have C sharp minor, F sharp, right to a B. And then when we go up here, we play a B down in the bass. And then we're back into the second verse reprise. So you'll notice that on the chorus, I let my left hand go all the way down. And then that sets us up for the second verse reprise. We have a lower bass. Up to the A, instead of E, down to the A. We go start with the E, up to the A, E, up to the B. So the second verse reprise. Now, there's a little pop on the bottom, and then you move both hands up. This is an instrumental interlude on the recording that the Cascades did. You got an E chord to an A chord, an E chord to a B chord, E chord. So the way I'm going to finger that is I'm going to go E, G sharp, B to an E, A, C sharp. So your chords are all 1, 3, 5 on that note. A, E, G sharp, B, 1, 3, 5. A, C sharp, E, 1, 3, 5. B, D sharp, F sharp, 1, 3, 5. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to play the E, A in the middle, E chord, and then I'm going to play the B on top with the D sharp and the F sharp down here. So my left hand hardly has to move. And then the right hand, I'm going to take it up an octave for this instrumental interlude. And on the instrumental interlude, we just play it straight. And I like to lift off slightly between each phrase. To lift off slightly, it just sets those phrases off and it lets the sound rest, and it sounds good. And you notice I have that chord come in slightly after the beat. However you want to. There's some of these fingerings where you've got to you're going to have to figure out your own fingering. I would do what works best for me. Let's see. See, that one's easy. Then here you got to cross over. And then I come down for the fill, I drop down an octave. Now while we're talking on fingering though, you got to get into what you're going to do with the chorus. So, and then you got what I do there is I go E, C sharp, E, D sharp, E. So I play thumb and index finger, then up to my ring finger, back to my thumb, index finger. So I keep my thumb on that E so that the other fingers can work around it. But you work what works right for you. If it feels right, then you play it that way. Now, then once we've played through those chords, then we go back into the chorus again, and this time with chords in the at the bass. So then when we come out of that instrumental interlude, where we've got the chords going. So we start with an A chord to the G minor chord. That's going to be E, A, C, D sharp, G sharp, B. And then we do it again, A chord to the E chord. Now we're going to drop down to a C sharp minor chord, C sharp, E, G sharp. F sharp minor chord, C sharp, F sharp, A. Now here we've got basically we've got a an F sharp minor chord with an added sixth in there. So it's just it's a nice sound right there. You could analyze it probably a couple of ways there. So right here you're going from an F sharp minor chord to a B7 chord, but I don't play the whole B7 chord because we got a C sharp carryover in the treble. So like a little passing tone or a little suspension right there, C sharp over the B. So what I'm going to play is a D sharp, F sharp, A in the left hand. So we're going from C sharp, F sharp, A to D sharp, A, F sharp, A into E. And because that B7 will lead us right to the E, but I don't have a B in there. It just, the B comes in the right hand later on. Right there it comes in. So now to put that together, you have to the C sharp minor, F sharp minor, B7, E, and then we go to a B chord with the B on top right there, and then we come right back with the verse. So I go from the E chord to the B chord, and then back to the E chord, and then when we do this, when I do that, this time I slide down to a B chord because I'm on my way down to the E and the B. Now for that tag, I'm going to play an E and a B open fifth, and a C sharp and a G sharp open fifth, and I'll pop. Bit of that thunder that they have going on there. Thunder, you know, it sounds a little bit like it too. And in the right hand, they've got it's oh, listen to the falling rain, pitter patter, pitter patter. Oh, listen to the falling rain, pitter patter, pitter patter. fade out. So they've got that C sharp, B, G sharp, F sharp, E, G sharp, F sharp, E, G sharp, B, B, G sharp, B, C sharp, B, C sharp, E, C sharp, B, C sharp, B. And they just repeat that over a couple of times. So to get into it, we've got, let's see, there I go to a B chord. Then on my way down to B. Now watch what I'll do. I'll change the way I try to make this sound angry if I can. Then I try to make this sound like a pitter patter. It's not easy to do that because your hands are doing two different things, but I try to. And as you get to the end of it there, then I try to soften up some. So I'll do it one more time without talking, and you can just watch it and hear it in right up to tempo. Getting ready for the tag now. There you have it, Rhythm of the Rain by the Cascades. I hope you enjoy playing it.